Hello everyone, it's Christmas Day. Want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas. Get my tomato plants. My last picking was on the 18th, so it's 7 days later. Had a video up for that showing you how much lettuce we got. Now I said another 4 or 6 days we'd be able to pick again. Well, it's been 7 days. I was going to do it and going to do it and going to do it, and it was too noisy, and it, with everything going on this time of year. So it's been 7 days, and I know it's tough. It's hard to believe this much growth in 7 days. So this will be still another picking off of this batch. I don't know the way it's growing, how much longer, but this is just unbelievable. This is being grown in some with a hydroponic fertilizer, and then I add to that a seaweed extract, so I pick up the trace minerals and stuff besides just plain old NPK. I want this to be healthy lettuce. So as you can see, this is just quite remarkable lettuce. And it was 7 days. Now this setup with the tubs were like 2 for $12. Cut holes in them. The cups are yogurt cups, brown cow yogurt cups with a hole punched in the bottom. Using some old aquarium filter stuff as the media to hold the little plants. Wow, they have plants over. Look at the size of these. Look at the size of these leaves. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? The size of them. The key to this is you got to keep them picked. When they get up into the lights, they'll like start to get sprouty. Then they don't taste very good, and the leaves harden off. I think I may pick more than I did the other day. This is just remarkable. This is not like iceberg lettuce. This stuff has a lot of taste. This stuff is just fabulous. You can't even see the ones up under here. There's 6 in each of these trays. See? And you can't really see the back 2. I cut back, you can't see the front ones that well. The middle ones. Okay, we'll push this one in. Give this other one here a bit of a tug. Oh boy. If you remember, I picked this stuff hard 7 days ago. Wow, look at that. I'm picking it hard again today. Look at all this lettuce. Better like lettuce when you do this, because as I said, you've got to pick it. I mean, look at this. You can't let this go another week. It'll be past mature. Oh, this is unbelievable. I got two shop lights under here. One takes 2 bulbs, and then this one is a 6,000 watt LED shop light. So stuff grows just fine under the LEDs as long as you get the higher, get the 6,000s. I've got some 4,000s, and they don't seem to do very well. They do great growing algae. See if I can back this up so you can see. How's that for a lettuce harvest? And as you can see, I've left a lot on the plants. So another 4, 5, 6, 7 days, we can probably do this again. So fresh lettuce indoors, 1 4-foot shelf, $12 worth of containers from Walmart, and a couple of shop lights, LED or regular bulbs, and you can be growing some nice lettuce. Please subscribe, hit the like button if you like this, and there's a notification bell or something that'll let you know when I put new ones up. We're going to try and do these on a pretty regular basis. It seems like all the other YouTube gardeners are kind of quiet right now, and as you can see, this is a primo time for indoor gardening. And I'm going to keep working, see if I can get my tomatoes to bloom. So, you have a great holiday, and take some of that Christmas money and start yourself up an indoor gardening routine. I think you'll enjoy it. So thank you for watching. Always happy to get your comments down below. Gives me the inspiration to keep it up. So, and any ideas for new videos, let me know. And that'll be it for me. Thank you.